Hey guys, I want to show you this new pink Playboy zippo. It's pretty nice. Got the bunny. It's a zippo slim, so it's like way smaller. I hate the slims though. It was like, I think $49, but like I wish they'd make it in a regular size zippo, because this is really small. Because like compared to those regular sized ones, this one is really small. Barely holds any fluid. You have to refill it like every couple weeks. Every like 10 days if you use it a lot. That's why I like my other zippos though. It's out of fluid right now. That's how bad it is for fluid. Thought I'd show you guys, so